Hello friends, again from Disney's Animal Kingdom. I am over at the Otter Grove hanging out with the otters. They're playing in the water. One is basically having fun getting an itch out on a log, which is really cute. So I'm gonna film some stuff here around Animal Kingdom. Thanks for joining me and let's go exploring.
One that we would have with a bunch of people, but because we can't have guests in the yard right now, we're trying to make it fun for everybody and kind of enriching them, and so everybody gets to turn out here. Not every day, but we are doing some fun different rotations with them. The cow has been out here, the pigs have had the yard by themselves, the main herd still comes out here a lot too, but I'm just trying to make it fun, switch it up a little bit.
Both males and females have those long horns pointed backwards to help them get through the bushes and leaves a lot more easily. Those long horns reach up to around 36 inches long. They can also have a 9-foot wingspan, way up to around 15 pounds. Look how cool they are. The ear just from a standing position. They can also go up to weeks and not a whole month without drinking any water. Thousands, if not a million, in just one herd. Also on our left, you see one of the zebras, including a baby one right there by us. Another one a little bit further down too. You see some of the younger ones there when giraffes were first born, reach up to around 6 feet tall, weigh as much as 150 pounds. They can also learn to walk within the very first hour of their life. Now, the mom giraffe does not make the birth process easy for a baby because they give birth standing up. So a baby giraffe has a 6-foot drop to look forward to when they're first being born. Now, giraffes are considered to be gentle giants. I would say they have a big heart, which is a very true statement. A giraffe's heart can be 2 feet long and weigh around 25 pounds. Now, they won't turn fully pink until they are a year and a half old. And they'll get that pink colorization through their daily diet and brine shrimp. They are also the largest of the flamingos. They will reach up to around 5 feet tall and weigh as much as 9 pounds. Now, sometimes you see them standing on just one leg. A lot of people wonder why they do that. To be perfectly honest with you, scientists are wondering the same thing. They use their non-retractable claws to help them grip the earth as they run. They also use their muscular tail to help them change direction. And they will also rely heavily on their very sensitive sense of smell, using both of those senses as radar. Unfortunately, rhinos are being pushed for those horns, which are made out of keratin, the same materials as the ears.